Hey guys, today I'll be changing the left rear blinker on a Honda CBR500 2014. Basically you have to take off this panel. We're gonna have to remove this panel, so we'll have to loosen the bolt here. There's supposed to be a bolt here. Take this off, loosen the bolt here, and then you're gonna unclip it from back here. Your trusty Allen wrench. So you're gonna pull, and you can take this off if you want to. Well, sometimes you might have to take this off. You're just gonna pull back. Okay, so now that we've removed the rear panel, we are going to unscrew. I've already unscrewed it, but you're gonna take out the screw. You're gonna have to take out this screw. Okay, you're gonna wanna take out your essentials that you have in your toolbox. Sunglasses, phone charger, all right, and then you're going to, so the left one is gonna be orange. You're gonna get some tool, kind of like this. Yeah, let's see. Get a tool like this. That way you can just lift up this little tab right here. Let's see if I can do this while showing you. Lift this tab and pull. Easy as that. So now that we have it unplugged from here, I'm gonna feed it through. And this is broken, so I really don't care about it.
It's probably easier if you have two hands.
But I don't. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pull it out. Because like I said, I don't really care about it. Just feed it through and voila. Part one is done. All right, so since my harness is already in there, I'm just gonna feed it through, just like I took the other one out. And hopefully, just hopefully, I can successfully change this. It's probably easier if you take it out, honestly. But I really don't want to do that. These things are a pain in the ass. It probably would take longer if you took it out, but it'd be easier. And here it's gonna take me not quite as much time, but it'll be a pain in the ass. All right, push it through. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. So we got a bolt in there, here. I'm gonna make sure that's pushed all the way, because if you look in the inside of this, you have to match up this guy. Let's see. You gotta match up. See this in here? That is attached to the metal plate in here, right there, right here. I'm gonna put this bolt back in here. You wanna get an 8mm if yours didn't come with different screws. That's what the OEM ones are. And we are gonna just tighten that up. And that is how you change a blinker. It's pretty secure. I'm gonna double check that it works. All right, I'm gonna check and make sure that it works. Oh no, it doesn't work. I think I know why. A lot of times it helps if you plug the blinker in. That's pretty essential. So I forgot that step. So I'm gonna plug the blinker in here. All right, put my essentials back in here. My sunglasses. All right, let's see if it works now. 3, 2, 1, boom. Looks like it works. All right, I'm gonna put the blinker on. It's gonna be fast because I have aftermarket turn signals in the front, which took away the running lights. Let's try the other one just for help. Boom. All good. All right. It's a pretty simple change on a Honda CBR. I'm going to put the rear fairing on, the back on, and then it'll be done. Cool. All right. That is a blinker change on a Honda CBR500. It took me about 30 minutes, but that is also including stopping and starting videoing. Yeah, so I would say it'd take you 10 minutes if you were just watching a video and changing it. Okay? See you guys later.